Back here at home, an important decision for older workers in Washington today. The Supreme Court made it easier for workers over 40 to sue for age discrimination. The 5-3 ruling could have a huge impact on millions of older workers and the companies that employ them. Here's ABC's Manny Medrano.
The Supreme Court ruling allows employees to sue for damages, even if the age discrimination was not intentional.
This decision is important because it permits a group of employees to now bring a claim of age discrimination without having to prove that the employer intended to discriminate.
Before the ruling, employees needed a smoking gun type of evidence to show that employers meant to discriminate. Now employees only have to prove that company policy favors younger workers at the expense of older workers. The decision will have a broad impact on America's aging workforce. By the year 2010, more than half of all workers will be over the age of 40. Supporters of today's ruling say older employees need protection because the workplace often favors younger workers.
We hope that employers that have not incorporated the concerns of older workers into their thinking at various stages will do so now.
And with good reason. Business leaders say today's decision will create more lawsuits and make it harder to run businesses.
This case may result in more suits, particularly against small and medium-sized employers who don't have access to legal advice.
The court did offer some relief for employers, saying policies such as downsizing or buyouts that adversely affect older workers might be justifiable.
Companies should take heart that they are still able to defend themselves against these kinds of claims by showing that their decisions were reasonable and justifiable and based on factors other than age.
The ruling today was authored by Justice Stevens, at 84, the oldest member of the High Court. Manuel Medrano, ABC News, the Supreme Court.